So yesterday, a brand new AI model dropped, and not from some random startup. Google just launched Nano Banana Pro. Most of you probably already know it's out, but here's the crazy part. Nobody was able to access it for free. Even I had to grind for hours to find a working method to use it without paying. But today, I got it. And I'm not just going to show you how it works. I'm also comparing Nano Banana Pro versus Nano Banana side by side. All right, fam, let's start the video. If you want to access the normal Nano Banana model for free, you can still use LM Arena. I've already made multiple detailed tutorials on that, so you can check them out anytime. Now let's jump to the real comparison. I'll give both models the same prompt, hit enter, and boom, Nano Banana instantly generated the first image. Nano Banana Pro is still processing. Nano Banana's result looks realistic in cinematic, but let's see Pro's result. Pro is good, clean, but honestly not hitting my expectations, so round one, tie. Next prompt, emotional shot. Again, Nano Banana delivered the image instantly, hyper-realistic, and super clean. Nano Banana Pro also generated the image, but it made a major mistake. It blended the previous image with the new one. Skull. Huge error. So this round, Nano Banana wins. Now let's try a reference image. I uploaded my picture with the prompt. Nano Banana again gave the first output solid result, just like I imagined. Now Nano Banana Pro, and honestly, this one impressed me. The look, the feel, and the character consistency were on point. Nano Banana stretched my face slightly, but the Pro version kept everything clean. Round winner? Nano Banana Pro. Next prompt uses a building image I uploaded. Nano Banana gives the first output within seconds. Realistic, decent design. Nano Banana Pro, the cracks, textures, shadows, and cinematic mood look way better here. So this round, I'll say both did well. Last one, Studio Ghibli style. I dropped the prompt and Nano Banana again generated the image instantly, high quality and very Ghibli-like. Nano Banana Pro also did great. Sharper color grading, more dramatic mood, and I personally love that look. Design-wise, both are solid. So tell me in the comments, which model's output did you like more? For me, both models have their strengths. Sometimes Nano Banana wins with speed and clarity. Sometimes Nano Banana Pro surprises with cleaner detail and consistency. Your opinion matters, so drop your winner below. And if you want me to compare any other specific AI tools, just let me know in the comments. Follow me for more insane AI breakdowns and comparisons.